Meaning of estate car.
Estate car.
Estate car.
Estate car.
Estate car. An estate car, also known as a wagon or a station wagon, is a type of vehicle that features a longer roofline and an extended cargo area at the rear, allowing for extra storage space. These cars are typically larger than traditional sedans and are popular among families, as they can comfortably seat multiple passengers and haul bulky items. Estate cars are also commonly used as work vehicles in various industries, such as construction and landscaping. Overall, estate cars are versatile and practical vehicles that offer ample storage space while still maintaining a sleek and stylish appearance.